Okay, great. Thank you for coming back. Welcome. This is part two of the Excel, right? So part one was basic Excel. And in this series, we're gonna really kind of take it one by one. So right now we're gonna talk about the concatenate function, right? So the concatenate function is basically where you can combine multiple cells. So let's do an example. So equal concatenate, click that as a shortcut. So you see you have text one, text two, et cetera, et cetera, et cetera. So it can go up to n or z, whatever you want to, your nomenclature you're used to. That means it can take, theoretically infinitely many cells. So let's do a quick example. We're gonna concatenate n16 and as well as O16, right? So these two cells, and let's see what they produce. United States greater than 50K, right? So if we look at, this cell, we have United States, and right here we have greater than 50K, and that's exactly what we get here. So, that's an example combining two. Now we can, create space, right? So it makes more sense. We can go ahead and uh, do that by putting in another comma and then open parentheses, and then another parentheses. And there's going to be a comma between that as well. And now let's see what we get. So we have space, right? United States, comma, greater than 50K. We can even say something like United States is. And let's see, United States is, right? So make another, so we have a space here as well. So now everything is spaced out properly. United States is greater than 50K. So I think that's a pretty good example of concatenate. So you can combine as many cells as you want. In this simple example, we combined two, and we showed you how to insert in between them as well using a comma, right? You can insert as many things as you want. Let's even put in this and give like a space, more space, right? And then, right, everything is there, right? We can even put a space here. There you go, right? So yeah, just a really basic example to show you how concatenate works. Thank you.